Hey there, time for more cookies. I'm Kathleen the Allergy Chef, and I love the idea of cranberry and white chocolate cookies. Now, I've never eaten them, and I still think they're a great idea because in my head, they're delicious. So let's get started. First, we need 8 ounces of safe butter. It can be dairy-based, it can be dairy-free. Now, I will tell you, for those of you who can't do this and you opt for an oil or a shortening, be careful because it doesn't always come out exactly perfect when you make that substitution. So here I've got our sugar. I'm just going to cream these together and I'll be right back. This is done. We're going to add in our oat and all of our flour. Going to add our vanilla. And I'm going to mix again. Just lightly pulse so that you don't get a flour dust cloud everywhere. And now I'll add in our flax. Mix it up lightly again. And finally, our cranberries and white chocolate. Our dough is ready. I'm going to pull out generous helpings of cookie dough here. And then I'll have one of the kids help me roll and slightly flatten them. And then they'll be ready for the oven. Okay, they are ready and they are going into our oven, which is already preheated. And there we have it. I'll be back in just a moment. I mean, for you guys, it's literally just a moment. Ooh, ooh la la. Okay, we have cookies. Check this out, you guys. You can just, they're so good. Okay, now the most important part is to let them cool on the tray for 15 to 20 minutes. Hey there, thanks for watching today. If you liked the video, leave us a comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell.